Hey YouTubers, Carter here. We're going to have a little video today on solar panels. And it's just a couple of solar panels that power UV lights that are under my eaves. So we'll go out there where the panels are and we'll look her all over. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Well, here we are with the solar panel. And of course, here's my helper. He'll be into stuff here pretty quick, probably. But anyway, here's two solar panels that I bought on Amazon. And these individual panels don't come with these brackets here. So you have to buy this package of brackets so that you can securely fasten it to your, it's a mount to whatever you're going to mount it on. Because you don't want to drill a hole through this. It's all, it's all sealed. It's aluminum clad. And when I first purchased these, I didn't buy the brackets, so I had to before I could mount them, I had to wait and order those separately. Yeah, quite a while ago, I realized that on our days that we don't have a lot of sun, that my security lights were quite dim some nights because we didn't get a lot of sun on the previous day or the 2 days prior. Anyway, I used to let the lights run 24/7. So now I have this little device, and it's like a photo eye that's going to turn my lights off in the daytime so that I'll have more energy at night. And this is only to make up for the loss of these overcast days. So I'm going to install this, and it's going to go right in here somewhere. Really haven't made up my mind yet, but I'll get it installed and then I'll show you what I've accomplished. Okay, we are installed, and here's the inspector. He'll show you how you can walk a fence here. He's pretty talented. Well, anyway, here's our little apparatus here. Kind of in the shade, but let's see if we can get a. Okay, there we are. That's our little photocell that's going to turn our eave lights off in the daytime to conserve battery power, so those batteries can get fully charged. And on cloudy days, we'll be able to have our power for our eave lights. Okay. Here are my little LED lights underneath my eaves. Powered by my solar panels. That red one there is my security camera. YouTubers, are you there? Listen, we're done with the solar panels, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, do the thumbs down. At least I know where you are. And if you want to follow me, subscribe and ring the bell. That way, if I make a new video, you'll get notified. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch.